Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very quick homemade mayonnaise. Don't go anywhere. For your ingredients, you need some vegetable oil, some egg, lemon juice or vinegar. You also need some salt. The full ingredients will be in the description box below. So let's get started. In your bowl, crack in the egg, add your lemon juice or your vinegar. You can either use one of the two. Then go in with your salt. You can also add sugar if you want it to be sweet. Now it's time to mix. You can either use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, but make sure when you are using either of the two, it is at low speed because you don't want to over mix. Then while mixing, just add your oil a little bit at a time. You don't want to add everything in together, just add it little by little. Then you mix until the color changes from the bright yellow to the pale yellow and until the mixture becomes thick. Remember, you don't want to over mix this, so make sure your mixer is at low speed. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. If you're also a new member just joining and watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you are wondering the type of oil I'm using in this video, I'm using vegetable oil, which is the common oil. You can also use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any type of oil. Another tip while making mayonnaise is to avoid strong flavored oil, just like your sesame oil. Using it might actually dominate the mayonnaise, so you want to avoid using those type of oil. At this point, I just want to show you the mixture is getting thick. I know a lot of people struggle with consuming a lot of oil, but let me tell you a secret. Mayonnaise contains at least 70 to 90% of oil. The more oil you add, the more thick, the more creamy your mayonnaise is going to come out looking. So just have faith and trust this process. So guys, another tip while making mayonnaise is to make sure the ingredients you're using is at room temperature. You don't want to use cold ingredients, neither do you want to use hot ingredients. And also, while making your mayonnaise, if the mixture is thin, is not coming together, just keep mixing until it gets thick. The more you mix, the more it gets thick, but don't over mix it. So guys, our mayonnaise is finally ready. This came out looking so nice, so creamy and so thick. You don't even have to bother going to the store to get new ones or having fear of running out of mayonnaise. You can make this at the comfort of your kitchen using two major ingredients, which is your egg, your vinegar or your lemon juice. You can store this in an airtight container and you can also keep it in a refrigerator. Please do not freeze this. If you are still watching this video to this point, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.